Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 2nd of September 2021. Looking at Cardano here, Ichimoku analysis, going through the 3-week, weekly, and daily chart. On the 3-week chart, we have roughly half of the 3-week candlestick left. This one will complete on September 12th, and the new one begins on the 13th. But when you look back at the 3-week candle that began on August 2nd, really clear, strong move higher, totally enveloping all of the trading range that has existed. Really, at least from the bodies, at least of the last 5 prior periods. So from April 19th on. This is turning into what could be considered a spinning top on the current 3-week candle. Kind of an indecisive move up here. We are overbought on the 3-week chart. We are at the 87 level. We've traded as high on the 3-week chart as 96. So right now it is showing regular bearish divergence at these levels. But that itself is not much to really kind of go off of. Looking at the weekly, get rid of that there. We have on here so far, if nothing else changes on this week, we have 7 consecutive candlesticks higher. That is 7 weeks, 49 days. That is a Gann death cycle, which means that if anything's been trending for that long, you can expect to see some type of corrective move occur after that period, typically a little bit before or after. And so we are in that zone right there. Again, there's regular bearish divergence between the price chart and the RSI, as well as between the composite index and the RSI, except when you compare the RSI against the composite index with this, that's actually hidden bearish divergence, which doesn't apply. The %B is sloping down lower. That could be a little bit of a warning, but ultimately, the level to watch here is the proximity of the close to the Tenkan Sen. Price does not like to spend very far away from the Tenkan Sen, and it doesn't like to stay far away for very long. So it gets increasingly more difficult to move higher here than it does to move lower. So just know that. Moving into the daily chart, the current daily candlestick is a fairly bearish looking one, but at the same time, you've got this ascending triangle pattern, which by itself is very bullish, so I wouldn't read too much into that. We're close to the Tenkan Sen, which is fine. We're not a horrible distance away from the Kijun Sen. In fact, if we were to bring that back. If we look at some of the past large moves, and we'll get rid of the magnet there, we measure those out, just kind of getting a rough percentage move. So 30% above it there. That one's not so bad. We did that one. Trying to find the ones that don't have kind of the crazy, the ones that actually have a history of actual, normal, what would you consider normal range? Going back to the May here, a lot of these moves, as we started to kind of consolidate around here, really within the high 30% range. You have a 49, 39, 31, 39. Trying to think if there's another one that I missed around here. There's one back here. That's in like the 30% range. Yeah, so the max mean from the Kijun Sen on the daily chart, we're kind of at that. That's where price was getting stopped at. So currently we're at the 30% level, that threshold. The Kumo twist occurred on the 31st. So we could be at the end of a move here. Then also, if we measure out, from the swing low of July 20th to where we are now. We're on the 45th day. The new candle just populated, so the new daily candlestick just opened. 45-day cycle. It's been trending up. Likely to see some type of corrective move here. But if it doesn't correct, then we may just see another 45 days moving higher. So just be aware of that. But we'll keep an eye on it. If you're looking to get in on any dip, I would look at two levels. 225, that's where the Kijun-sen is at on the daily chart, as well as a 50% fib retracement level at 190. Thank you for watching. From all the shared exchange rates UK TV, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.